Week number 3. Create a lead magnet to grow your email list. To create a lead magnet that effectively grows your email list, you need to focus on solving a specific problem for your target audience. Your lead magnet must offer immediate value in exchange for their email address. Start by identifying a pain point that your audience faces. It should be directly related to your product or service so that the lead magnet naturally leads them toward becoming a customer. A focused solution builds trust, positions you as an expert, and makes the lead magnet desirable. Once you've identified the problem you'll solve, decide on the format of your lead magnet. There are many options to choose from, such as ebooks, checklists, cheat sheets, templates, or video tutorials. Keep in mind that simpler is often better. The key is to offer something that can be consumed quickly and put into action right away. People don't always want a 50-page ebook. They want something that gets them results fast. If you're offering a checklist, for instance, it should be designed to give them an actionable plan they can follow immediately. If it's a video tutorial, make sure it's concise and directly solves the problem. Your lead magnet title is critical to grabbing attention. It needs to communicate both the problem and the solution clearly and succinctly. A strong title includes an element of specificity and value. For example, instead of how to improve your website, go 4-5 quick fixes to double your website conversions. This specificity sets expectations for the reader and makes the lead magnet more compelling. Avoid being vague, and focus on the tangible benefits they'll receive. The content itself must be high quality. Even though the lead magnet is free, it represents the first impression your audience will have of your brand. Make sure it's well-researched, practical, and solves the problem you set out to address. If it's a checklist, it should cover all the essential steps in a logical order. If it's an ebook or a guide, make it easy to read with short paragraphs, actionable insights, and clear examples. You're aiming to over-deliver on value so that when people receive the lead magnet, they're impressed and ready to take the next step with you. Now, design matters too. Your lead magnet needs to look professional, even if it's a simple checklist or template. It doesn't have to be elaborate, but it does need to be clean, visually appealing, and easy to follow. If you don't have design skills, use simple tools like Canva or hire a freelance designer to create a polished look. The layout should make it easy to consume the content quickly, so break up the text with headings, subheadings, and bullet points if needed. Use images or icons sparingly but strategically to make the document visually engaging without being overwhelming. After the lead magnet is created, it's time to set up your opt-in form. This is the gateway between your audience and the lead magnet, so it needs to be optimized for conversions. Keep the form simple, asking only for the email address and possibly the first name. The more information you ask for upfront, the fewer people will sign up. Place the opt-in form in key locations on your website, such as your homepage, blog posts, or sidebar. Make it clear what they're getting in exchange for their email, reiterating the value of the lead magnet. For example, download your free checklist to double website conversions in under 5 minutes. The copy on the opt-in form must be direct and benefit-oriented. Avoid generic phrases like "subscribe to our newsletter." Instead, focus on what they'll gain by signing up. If your lead magnet is a checklist to boost conversions, your opt-in form might say something like, "Get instant access to our free checklist that reveals 5 easy steps to increase your website's conversion rate today." Be specific about the value and create a sense of urgency by using words like instant or free today. To further increase conversions, add social proof or trust signals near your opt-in form. This could be something as simple as "Join 1000 plus other business owners who have improved their conversions," or a testimonial from someone who found your lead magnet helpful. Trust is essential in getting people to hand over their email addresses, so anything that reassures them about the quality of your lead magnet will help. If you've been featured in well-known publications or have client testimonials, don't hesitate to include them. Once someone opts in, deliver the lead magnet immediately. You can set this up using an email marketing service like MailChimp or ConvertKit. The first email they receive should be simple and direct, thanking them for signing up and providing a download link to the lead magnet. Make sure the email doesn't go to spam by using a clear subject line such as "your free checklist is inside." This email also sets the stage for the relationship moving forward, so use it as an opportunity to introduce yourself or your brand briefly, while keeping the focus on delivering the lead magnet. After delivering the lead magnet, don't let the relationship fizzle out. Follow up with an email sequence that builds on the value you've provided. These emails should further engage the subscriber by offering more tips, insights, or resources that naturally lead them toward purchasing your product or service. Each email should continue to demonstrate your authority and reinforce the trust you've built. You can also ask for feedback about the lead magnet to improve future versions and show subscribers you care about their experience. If you want to drive more traffic to your opt-in form, consider promoting your lead magnet through multiple channels. Share it on social media, include it in your email signature, and mention it in blog posts. You can also create a dedicated landing page that explains the value of the lead magnet in more detail and drives traffic from paid ads or social media posts. The more places you promote the lead magnet, the more email subscribers you'll gain. Finally, track the performance of your lead magnet. Use analytics to see how many visitors are converting into subscribers and how well your email nurture sequence is performing. If the conversion rate is lower than expected, consider adjusting the title, improving the design, or making the opt-in form more compelling. Keep refining the lead magnet based on feedback and data to continually grow your list. By creating a high-quality lead magnet and promoting it effectively, you'll be able to grow your email list consistently. You'll not only capture leads but also establish yourself as a trusted resource, making it easier to convert those leads into paying customers down the line. Keep the focus on providing value and solving your audience's problems, and your lead magnet will become a powerful tool for building your business.